If you're eating less, trying to cut carbs, and still not losing weight, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. Many people struggle because they're cutting the wrong foods while keeping the ones that quietly block fat loss. Doctors agree that choosing the right low-carb foods can calm hunger, control blood sugar, and help your body burn fat naturally. In this video, I'll show you 11 low-carb foods doctors actually recommend for safe, sustainable weight loss. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are considered one of the most powerful low-carb foods for weight loss because they provide nearly perfect nutrition with almost zero carbohydrates. Doctors recommend eggs because they are rich in complete protein, meaning they contain all essential amino acids needed to preserve muscle mass while losing fat. This is critical during weight loss, as muscle helps keep your metabolism active and prevents weight regain. Eggs also contain healthy fats that slow digestion, allowing you to stay full for longer periods and naturally reduce calorie intake without feeling restricted. Beyond satiety, eggs play a major role in appetite control by regulating hunger hormones such as ghrelin. Studies show that people who eat eggs, especially in the morning, tend to eat fewer calories throughout the day compared to those who eat carb-heavy breakfasts. Eggs also support brain health, hormone balance, and energy production thanks to nutrients like choline, vitamin D, and B vitamins. Doctors frequently recommend eggs as a cornerstone food because they make weight loss easier, not harder. Number 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish is one of the most doctor-recommended low-carb foods because it combines high-quality protein with powerful omega-3 fatty acids, all while containing virtually no carbohydrates. Omega-3s help reduce chronic inflammation, which is often linked to stubborn belly fat and slow metabolism. Doctors emphasize that lowering inflammation improves insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to access and burn stored fat more efficiently. This makes fatty fish especially beneficial for people struggling with weight loss plateaus. In addition to fat burning, the protein in fatty fish keeps you full for hours by slowing digestion and stabilizing blood sugar levels. This reduces cravings, emotional eating, and unnecessary snacking between meals. Fatty fish also supports heart health, brain function, and hormone regulation, making it one of the most nutritionally dense foods you can eat while losing weight. Doctors often recommend consuming fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week as part of a sustainable low-carb weight loss plan. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video because it really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you valuable health and weight loss content like this. Number 3. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables are some of the lowest carb foods available, yet they deliver enormous benefits for weight loss. Doctors recommend leafy greens because they add volume to meals without adding calories or carbohydrates, which allows you to eat larger portions while still losing weight. This psychological satisfaction is extremely important for long-term success, as it prevents feelings of deprivation that often lead to binge eating. Leafy greens are rich in fiber, which slows digestion, improves gut health, and enhances satiety. They also contain important minerals such as magnesium and potassium that help reduce water retention, bloating, and fatigue during weight loss. Doctors explain that leafy greens help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that trigger hunger. When eaten regularly, they support fat burning, digestion, and overall metabolic health without stressing the body. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is strongly recommended by doctors for low-carb weight loss because it provides a powerful combination of protein, healthy fats, and probiotics. Protein supports muscle preservation and boosts metabolism, while probiotics improve gut health, a critical but often overlooked factor in weight management. A balanced gut helps regulate appetite hormones, reduce inflammation, and improve nutrient absorption, all of which support fat loss. Full-fat Greek yogurt also slows digestion, keeping you full longer and reducing cravings for sugar and refined carbohydrates. Doctors stress the importance of choosing plain varieties, as flavored yogurts often contain hidden sugars that spike insulin and sabotage weight loss. When consumed regularly, Greek yogurt supports digestion, controls hunger, and makes low-carb eating far more satisfying and sustainable. Number 5. Avocados. Avocados are widely recommended by doctors because they are low in carbs, but rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber. These fats play a crucial role in appetite control by signaling fullness to the brain and slowing the emptying of the stomach. This means you feel satisfied for longer periods after eating, making it easier to maintain a calorie deficit without constant hunger. Avocados also help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing insulin spikes that promote fat storage. Doctors often explain that although avocados are calorie-dense, they actually support weight loss because they reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day. In addition, avocados provide potassium, which helps reduce bloating and supports fluid balance, making them especially beneficial during weight loss phases. Number 6. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the most dependable low-carb protein sources doctors recommend for weight loss. It contains virtually zero carbohydrates and provides lean protein that helps preserve muscle mass while the body burns fat. Maintaining muscle is essential because muscle tissue burns more calories at rest, helping prevent metabolic slowdown during weight loss. Protein from chicken breast also has a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it compared to fats or carbohydrates. Doctors frequently recommend chicken breast because it keeps hunger under control, supports recovery, and provides steady energy throughout the day. When prepared without sugary sauces or breading, chicken breast becomes a cornerstone food for clean, effective fat loss. Number 7. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a doctor-approved low-carb food known for its slow-digesting casein protein. This protein releases amino acids gradually, keeping you full for extended periods and making cottage cheese especially useful for reducing late-night cravings. Doctors often recommend it as an evening food to prevent overeating before bed. In addition to protein, cottage cheese contains calcium, which plays a role in fat metabolism and appetite regulation. It also supports muscle maintenance and metabolic health during weight loss. Choosing versions with minimal added sugar keeps carb intake low while maximizing satiety, making cottage cheese a powerful ally for sustainable weight loss. Number 8. Nuts. Doctors frequently recommend certain nuts because they provide a balanced mix of healthy fats, fiber, and protein, while remaining relatively low in carbohydrates. These nutrients work together to slow digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and reduce hunger signals. As a result, nuts help prevent overeating and reduce cravings for processed snacks. Nuts also promote mindful eating because they are satisfying even in small portions. Doctors emphasize portion awareness, but when eaten correctly, nuts improve satiety and help people stick to low-carb diets long-term. Their nutrient density supports heart health, brain function, and metabolic stability while assisting fat loss. Number 9. Zucchini. Zucchini is often recommended by doctors as a low-carb replacement for starchy foods like pasta, rice, or potatoes. It is extremely low in carbohydrates and calories while being rich in water and fiber, which increases fullness and supports digestion. This allows you to enjoy larger meals without slowing weight loss. Zucchini also supports gut health and reduces bloating, making it ideal for people transitioning to low-carb eating. Doctors recommend zucchini because it helps reduce carb intake naturally while keeping meals satisfying and enjoyable. Its versatility makes it easy to include in many weight loss-friendly dishes. Number 10. Olive oil. Olive oil is a cornerstone of doctor-recommended low-carb diets because it supports fat metabolism and reduces inflammation. Healthy fats in olive oil help regulate appetite hormones and improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to burn stored fat. Doctors explain that fat does not automatically cause weight gain. Poor carb choices do. Olive oil also enhances meal satisfaction, reducing the need for sugary sauces or dressings. When used regularly, it supports heart health, hormonal balance, and long-term weight management. Doctors consistently recommend olive oil as a primary fat source for healthy, sustainable fat loss. Number 11. Berries. Although fruit is often limited on low-carb diets, berries are an exception doctors frequently recommend. They are lower in carbohydrates than most fruits and rich in fiber, which slows sugar absorption and prevents blood sugar spikes. This allows you to satisfy sweet cravings without triggering fat storage. Berries are also packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support metabolic health. Doctors recommend berries in moderation because they improve dietary adherence, making weight loss more enjoyable and sustainable. When included correctly, berries support fat loss without compromising blood sugar control. The key to successful and lasting weight loss isn't extreme dieting or cutting out entire food groups. It's choosing the right foods that work with your body, not against it. By focusing on doctor-recommended low-carb foods that keep you full, stabilize blood sugar, and support fat burning, you can lose weight in a healthier and more sustainable way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Healthy Grams, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our daily health and weight loss content. Also, don't forget to share this video with friends or family who are on a weight loss journey, because the right information at the right time can truly change lives.